All right. Hello, YouTube. This problem comes from Chapter 6 from Course 1 from CPM. And this is about simplifying simplifying absolute value expressions. This problem looks more difficult than it actually is. If you remember what an absolute value is, that'd be the first thing, right? In order to simplify this, we need to know kind of what these things are. And these symbols here, these bars, are the absolute value. And they work like parentheses, like we're going to do everything inside of here first before we find what the absolute value is. And absolute value is just how far away is something from 0. So the key is that there's never a negative distance. So whatever is inside of the absolute value will always be a positive number at the end. And we'll talk about that right now. So if we're simplifying this, we get what's the absolute value of what's in here? And we need to go 5 minus 6 is -1, and -1 plus 1 is 0. We're looking for the absolute value of 0. And how far away is 0 from 0 on the number line? Well, it's 0 units away. It is 0, so it's 0 units away. So the answer to the first one is 0. So here we're looking for 2 times this distance. So we're looking for 2 times the absolute value of -16 and 75/100ths. Well, how far away is -16 and 75/100ths from 0? Well, it is, I don't know why this isn't working. Come on, pen. There you go. It is 16 and 75/100ths units away. So to get our answer, we need to double this. So 16 and 75/100ths times 2. 2 times 5 is 10. Carry the 1. 2 times 7 is 14. Add 1 is 15. 2 times 6 is 12. Plus 1 is 13. 2 times 1, 2. Plus 1 is 3. I go ahead and say how many total decimal places do I have? I have 2 total decimal places, so my answer will have 2 decimal places. So 33 and 5/10. 33 and 5/10. I don't know what's happening with my pen. Getting some weird spider web kind of looking things. So that is the answer for the second one. All right, here we have 2 absolute values, so we need to add them together. So what do we have here? So we've got the absolute value, and what is this? This is 6 3/8 minus 2, so that's 4 3/8. So weird how it's doing that. And over here, what do we have over here? Well, we have the absolute value, so -8 and 5/8, and we're going to add another negative, so that's going to be -9 and 5/8. I wonder that's so strange. All right, so how far away is this from 0? How far away is this from 0? It is 4 3/8. And we're going to add that to how far away is -9 and 5/8 from 0? It's 9 and 5/8 units away. And if we add them together, we can add our wholes together, so we can do 4 plus 9. And then we're going to add together our fractions, so 3/8 plus 5/8. So 4 plus 9 is 13, and 5/8 plus 3/8 is 8/8, which is the same thing as 1. So this is 13 plus 1, which is 14. So there you have it. All right, talk to you guys later.